Hey everybody, Mr. Gajewski here. Today we're going to talk about graphing quadratics in factored form. Now before we get started, please make sure you go and watch Sal's video first. The purpose of this video is to really help familiarize you with how to use the actual graph when doing this assignment, but we will touch base and review some of the concepts he talks about in his video. But again, before watching this video, please go and watch the other video for today's lesson. So here is my equation, y equals 1/8 x minus 6 x plus 2. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find the x-intercept. So where is this graph, this parabola, going to cross the x-axis? So I'm going to flip to the document camera here. Now in order to find our x-intercepts, we're going to take each of these parentheses here, set them equal to 0. Go ahead and solve for x. So here I'm going to add 6. Here I'm going to subtract 2. Okay, so my x-intercepts are going to be at 6, 0 and negative 2, 0. So let's flip back to the graph. This dot right here is going to represent one of my x-intercepts. So I need to put this on either 6 or on negative 2. I'm going to put mine on 6. All right. And we need this part of the graph to be on negative 2. This is my vertex. I need to slide this either left or right so that this crosses at 2. So it's a little too far to the left, so I'm going to move this to the right. All right. So sure enough, that'll do it. So now I have my x-intercept of 6 and my x-intercept of negative 2. So I know that 2 is my axis of symmetry. It's going to split this parabola right in half. Now, I don't know where exactly my vertex is going to be. I know it's going to be on this line of x equals 2, but I don't know if it's going to be at 4, 3, 2, so on. All right. But I do know it's going to be on 2. I can use that information, x equals 2, to find the axis, or excuse me, to find the y value of my vertex. So let's flip back to the document camera. So I know that my axis of symmetry is x equals 2. So let's take this 2, substitute it for x. That's going to tell me the y value that I want for my vertex. So y equals 1/8 x, which we said is 2, minus 6, parentheses x, which we said is 2, plus 2. Let's go ahead and simplify 1/8. 2 minus 6, I get negative 4. 2 plus 2, I get 4. Negative 4 times 4, I get negative 16. 1/8 times negative 16, I'm going to get negative 2. So my vertex, when x is 2, y is negative 2. Let's flip back to the graph. So x is already 2, but now I want y to be negative 2. All right. Let's go ahead and check. Looks like we got it right. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, friendly reminder, make sure you watch the other video first. If you do have questions, go to that other video first. If you're still struggling with it or you're still not sure about this, please send me an email. Hit me up in Google Hangouts, Google Meet, we can make an appointment and get you where you need to be. Thanks for watching. Smash like and subscribe. See you next time.